Hey guys, I'm just playing a Monster Truck game. This is my first Monster Truck game I'm playing. Oh my god. Ugh, okay, that's loud. Turn it down a little. Dang, this is crazy. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is, well, see what this is. Okay, I can't move the screen. I don't know what's happening. Single bit. We're gonna do some practice. We're gonna do practice for the next several months. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, look at this. Wee. Right off and went right into those vans. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Oof. Woof. Okay. Well, this isn't too bad. Look at these graphics, though. Keep in mind, guys, it might not be super smooth because I'm playing on my Kindle Fire 8 HD, which is the lowest device to run PUBG. I'm gonna upload one PUBG video sometime. Very soon. Oh, could have flipped. This is crazy though. This is a good game. This is fun, just drifting around and messing up. Yeah. What do these do? Whee! Oh, I flipped. Man down. Okay, I'm back. By the way, guys, you can comment down below what games you want me to play. This is an Android, by the way, so you have to say something that's probably Android. Just to keep in mind. Just comment down below, like on the video. I don't necessarily care if you subscribe or not. I just need them likes. Oh! You know how sick that was? That was a perfect cyclone. Oh man. Creeper. Dun dun dun. Oh man. You know what? I might play Pixel Gun 3D. That game's actually smooth and I have progress on it, so that might be my new game. Just be grinding at it for a couple freaking years. Jeez, man. Oh. Come on. Flip. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? We can unflip this. We can do it. Yeah. And... oh! We nailed that. That is something we did nail. We did very much nail that. Oh man, this is crazy. Excuse me. I just need to care for myself out. Okay. This teacher at school named Miss Sherman. I call her Miss Sherman. Very fun. Oh, here we go. And boom! Wrecked that one totally. Boom! Oh, dude. Okay, this game is called like Monster Truck's Destruction. It is really fun. It's even better than my 2DS game, and it costs actual money. This game's free. Can you even believe that? This is an insane game for free. Should be worth at least $2. At like probably the highest. Wow, that's amazing. I'm very much enjoying this, guys. Here we go. Okay, we don't. Woo! We're gonna do all of them flips. Faces out of the camera. Oh no, here we go. No. Oh! Oh wait, now I can use the summit to get up there. Here we go. Oh! Okay, we're gonna do this. One way or another, we're gonna get up there. Hey fans! How did I get? Freaking fans these days. I'm gonna stay up here. Well, let me. Okay, fine. I'll leave. I'll go. Meanie head. Oh, that's great. So on Pixel Gun 3D, I'm like level 16. I don't know what my name was, but I definitely had a name. I grinded really hard to get the Peacemaker. I heard it was a newbie gun, but I worked for hours and hours and hours and hours on that game. It was kind of just the best game probably to me, because I played it for so long. I absolutely adored that game. Man, what a good game that was. What a very good game that was indeed. Can I even do this? Am I stuck? Yeah! There we go. There was the last resort. Wee! 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 Can I get my wheels in the air? Wee! Oof. Oh, dude, this game's so good. Oh no. I can't fail this. Okay. Jump it. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Fails, guys. Fails. And I'm sick. No. I'm so sick. Dang it. When you have like a cold, your eyes always water up. That's what's happening right now. It doesn't help the gaming experience. Oh, this game is great though, guys. You guys should definitely. Oh my god. This is so annoying. Oh my. Just wait. Give me 1 freaking second. Let the truck entertain you. Look at that. Hey. I think that ramp right there is YouTube, and then that's my content. Very good game, by the way. Okay. Well, a couple minutes left until I gotta end this video. I wanna crush these cars, actually. Even better. Oh yeah. So I didn't totally destroy them earlier. Doing that now though. So can you kind of crush? Oh, you can crush all the car. Oh, that's kind of pissed off real last. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. It was very good playing the game. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will indeed see you in the next one. Goodbye. If I can get it. There.